channel. If you are new to my channel, hey, I'm Simônè Slater and welcome to Vlogmas. I don't know when this video is going up, but if it is day 10 or day 9 or day 11, I don't know. But if you clicked on this video, then you're going to see how to achieve this look. I had a few requests of how to create this makeup look because I did wear it in a video, I think last week, but I'll post the picture right here of where I wore the makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know if you have been enjoying Vlogmas so far. And I hope everyone's excited for the festive season and for Christmas. I can't believe it. It is like coming so soon, which means we are going home very, very soon. But yeah, I love you guys so much and let's just get started with the video. Okay, so as you can see, my brows are done. I did them off camera just to make the video a little bit shorter. So firstly, we're going to prime our eyes, and I like to prime my eyes with my LA Girl HD Pro Concealer. So I'm doing my eyes first because I'm using quite a blue pigment, and if it falls out underneath my eyes and I've done my foundation, it just means I'm gonna have to redo my makeup. So I always start with my eyes first when I'm doing something dramatic on my eyes. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this as a primer and also to cancel out any discoloration on the lids. So that's what I suggest, and then I'm just going to use just a sponge to blend it out. Okay, so once our concealer is done, now we're going to start with the eyes. And firstly, I like to use a transition color. So the transition shade that I'm going to be using is from my Nature Republic Pro Touch Color Master Shadow Palette, and this is what the palette looks like. And I really love this color as a transition color, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of that in the crease. Okay, so that's it for the transition color. Now we are going to start with the blue. So firstly, we are going to be using this palette here, and this is the BH Cosmetics Day Night palette, and it has amazing shades in it. As you can see, the shades are so beautiful. So I'm going to be using these two shades here to create this bluey color, and then also use this aqua shade right here and a little bit of that just for my inner part of my eye. So what I tend to do is I like to use this brush right here, and I got this with my LA Girl Nudes palette, and I just like how precise this brush is. So I'm going to first pack on this shade right here, and then I'm going to use this shade as well. So I like how precise this brush is because even though it picks up a lot of product, it like almost grabs the product so it doesn't fall out, and then you can kind of use it in your crease and define your crease with it. And we are going to blend this all out and create a soft transition. But firstly, I want to pack on the blue so it's pigmented and the color shows up. Some makeup artists might be looking and be like, oh my gosh, you're doing it wrong, but this is what I do, this is what works for me. I'm not saying I'm a professional, it's just what works for me and how I like it. And now I'm going to pick up this blue shade right here and put that towards the middle part of my eye and then going towards the outside. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it looks. It actually looks really pretty. Now we're going to apply a lighter shade towards the inner part of our eye. And what brush can I use for that? You know when you just clean your brushes and you don't want to touch them? That's how I feel, because I just clean them. I don't want to mess blue on it. Okay, what I'm going to do is use my finger and pick up this blue shade right here, these two shades here. They're more like an aqua green color, and I'm going to put that towards the inner part of my eye. And as you can see, why I like to do my eyes first is because there's eyeshadow fallout below my lids. and if I had done my foundation, this would have looked so bad. Okay, and then with that same brush that you apply the darker shades, you're just going to blend in where the two colors meet. And then taking a fluffy brush with no product on, so I'm just going to use this fluffy blending brush and just blend any harsh lines. So the pigment I'm first going to apply is this one from NYX, and it's the Ultra Pearl Mania pigment, and this is in the shade Baby Blue, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna dip the same brush into this pigment. It's very pigmented, so I'm just gonna dip it and then apply that towards the inner part of my eye. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lashes and apply some false lashes. This mascara is from Daiso. It's by a brand. What is the brand name? Oh, it's a Korean brand, but I really like it. It just gives me enough volume on my lashes. Okay, and now I'm just going to put my lashes on, and these are the Ardell Natural Lashes. So I'm just going to put that on off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just quickly put my lashes on. They're quite dramatic, I know. I didn't think they were going to be so dramatic. So I'm just going to put mascara on to blend my lashes with the falsies. So this is a very dramatic eye look. And then... let's see, I can't even remember what else I did. Oh, so what I'm going to first do is apply this NYX Roll-On Shimmer. It's like a shimmer eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Just, I think. Oh, it's in the shade like a green. So I'm just gonna roll it on the inner part of my eye, and I really like how shimmery it is. So as you can see, it's a really pretty shimmer color. And then I'm going to use my wet wipe to just wipe away the fallout, because now we are going to do our face and then finish off the eyes. Okay, so for the face, I'm going to prime my face, and I've been loving using the Glam Glow Volcasmic Matte Glow Moisturizer to moisturize and also prime my face, because I have oily skin. I really like how this mattifies my face and preps it for makeup. And then I'm first going to conceal any blemishes and my under eye circles. And I'm using my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer to just conceal my under eyes. Pigmentation here. One of the secrets is I normally, if I'm in a rush and I don't feel like putting a full face on, I normally just apply my concealer on my face, and I use that as like a foundation, and it just conceals perfectly. And yeah, it's like you're wearing foundation but without wearing foundation. By the way, I've been really loving using these sponges to blend in my makeup. I've seen a lot of Korean makeup artists and YouTubers use these sponges because you can buy them like in a pack of 40 or 50, and they're so cheap. And I always wondered, why do they use it? But then I realized it comes in so much handy, and it's so cheap, and it does the job almost as much as a beauty blender. Okay, so as you can see, it's blended my concealer in very well, and the foundation that I'm going to be using is one of my favorites, and this is the LA Girl Pro HD foundation. So I'm just going to put a few dots on my face, because this foundation is really full coverage. now we're going to contour and highlight. So because I put concealer underneath and foundation over, I don't really need to conceal. So firstly, we're going to contour, and I use the Essence True Caramel Mattifying Powder just to bronze up my face and also contour. And then for blush, I'm using my e.l.f. Blush palette, and maybe I'm going to pick up this shade right here and mix it with this one and see how that comes out. I think they're quite pigmented. Very pigmented. And now we're going to complete the rest of our eyes before we finish up our face. And what I'm going to do is pick up that same blue shade right here that we put on the outer part of our eye, and I'm just going to put that at my lower lash line. And then I'm going to pick up the other blue shade right here and also just blend it in with that blue. And then taking that blending brush, where is it? The blending brush that you use to blend in your crease, you're just going to use that to blend in the shade underneath your eye and smoke it up. Then I'm going to line my lower lash line with a blue pencil, and this is, I bought this somewhere in Seoul. I don't even know the brand of it. And then coat my lower lashes with the same mascara. And then to highlight my inner tear duct, I'm going to use that same green shade, this Rollerball NYX one, and just highlight my inner corner with it. And then apply a little bit of the other NYX pigment as well in my inner corner. What do you guys think of the look so far? Would you wear this? Okay, and now we're just going to finish up our look, and I'm going to first spray my face to add some moisture. So this is the Wake Makeup Fixation. It's a Korean makeup setting spray. So I always spray my face first before I put highlights, because the highlight then pops more once it's a bit wet and a bit damp. So I'm using my MAC Extra Dimension Oh Darling highlighter. Okay, for lips, we are going for a nude shade, so very neutral. And the shades that I'm going to be using are very, very nude. So firstly, I'm going to line my lips with the Essence lip liner in the shade In the Nude. And then for the first lipstick, I'm using Jordana Cosmetics in Cafe. So I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lip. And then I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Mega Last lipstick in the shade Bare It All in the center. And then I'm going to top it off with the Essence Matte Lasting Lip Gloss in the shade Beauty Approved. And I'm just going to highlight my Cupid's bow with the same highlighter. Spray my face for the last time. And this is the finished result, a pretty bluey, greeny, like aquamarine smoky eye with a nude lip. You can wear this for Christmas, holiday parties, or like if you're celebrating anything. I just wanted to do something fun for the holiday season and for Vlogmas. I did wear this makeup look in one of my videos for Vlogmas. I think it was last week's video, and I had requests to do this makeup tutorial, so I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying all my Vlogmas videos. I know this video is going up a bit late, I do apologize, but I hope you're enjoying it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not subscribed. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.